Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jonas from Altezza Travel, and today we will be discussing the best Kilimanjaro routes for beginners. Let me start by saying that relative to other popular mountain destinations like Aconcagua, Elbrus, or Denali, Kilimanjaro is more accessible and manageable, even for hikers who are just getting started. You will not need any special climbing skills or unusual gear to summit Kilimanjaro, but maintaining a good fitness level, as well of course as selecting a suitable Kilimanjaro itinerary, is very important. For most beginners with an ordinary fitness level, the following routes are excellent choices. The Lemosho 7-day route approaches Kilimanjaro from the west and leads through scenic glades. The Machame 7-day route approaches Kilimanjaro from the south, and this route will take you through a lush tropical rainforest. And finally, the Rongai 7-day route is the only route that approaches Kilimanjaro from the north side of the mountain. These options offer great acclimatization profiles for unprepared hikers and are moderately challenging. Each of these routes feature a staggering 95% and higher success rate. For more information about acclimatization, you can check the video right here. Altezza Travel regularly runs these 3 routes for our Kilimanjaro group departure options, starting every 2 or 3 days, so there are plenty of opportunities for you to join, and you can secure your spot with a mere $100 deposit for a guaranteed departure. If you're a novice hiker with little to no experience, you may want to consider the longer 8-day adventures, which provide even better acclimatization transitions. It's best to avoid the Marangu 5-day route as well as the Machame 6-day adventures unless you're an experienced climber with prior acclimatization. While you may come across reviews online from first-timers who have successfully summited, it's important to remember that there are always exceptions. Our primary goal in this video series is to guide you in choosing the safest route to conquer Africa's highest peak. The Marangu 5-day and Machame 6-day options both skip an essential acclimatization day closer to the end of the trip, leaving hikers poorly prepared for the summit day. So, if you haven't achieved solid acclimatization elsewhere before your Kilimanjaro expedition, it's better to stay away from these routes. To sum up, 7 and 8-day adventures are excellent options for beginners as they provide ample acclimatization opportunities. Check out the list of our group departures in the link in the description below to find an expedition that works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at Altezza Travel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Kilimanjaro tips and advice. Happy trekking!